Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best modeling clay set, non-toxic, soft colors, and perfect for all kinds of arts and crafts. This is the Pepy Plastilina reusable and non-drying modeling clay gift set. Whether you're a hobbyist, an educator, or a parent looking to keep your kids creatively engaged, this clay set ticks all the right boxes. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes this product a must-have on your art shelf. Right out of the box, you get 24 individual clay bars, each weighing 1.4 ounces. That totals over 2 pounds of clay to play with. What's great is that the set includes 2 bars each of 12 vibrant colors. We're talking white, yellow, orange, red, pink, light blue, dark blue, light green, dark green, brown, and black. So you're not limited creatively. From rainbow unicorns to miniatures and abstract sculptures, the range is broad enough to let your imagination roam free. Now here's what really sets Pepy Plastilina apart. First, it's non-drying. That means you can keep reusing the clay again and again without worrying about it turning rock solid. No air drying, no oven baking, and no wasted product. The clay stays soft and pliable no matter how long you leave it out. Second, it's made from vegetable-based materials, which gives it a fluffier, more voluminous texture per ounce compared to traditional oil-based clays. That also makes it easier to manipulate, especially for smaller hands or detailed work. It's non-staining, which means cleanup is simple, no sticky residues or oil smudges on your hands or surfaces. When it comes to safety, Pepy Plastilina gets a huge thumbs up. It's completely non-toxic, CPSIA certified, sulfur-free, and gluten-free. That makes it perfectly safe for kids aged 3 and up, and yes, it's great for adults too. Whether you're doing educational activities, stress relief sculpting, or professional modeling, this clay is safe, clean, and fun to use. Plus, because it's reusable, it's more economical and eco-friendly in the long run. This set is ideal for classroom projects, home crafts, and even small stop-motion animation if that's your thing. It holds shape well, doesn't crumble, and blends beautifully if you want to create custom colors. It's firm enough to support small structures but soft enough to mold easily without needing heat or extra tools. That said, while this kit doesn't come with tools or tutorials, it's compatible with any standard modeling tools you might already have. Honestly, anyone who loves crafting, parents, teachers, amateur sculptors, or even pros who need a reliable, colorful, and safe modeling clay. The Pepy Plastilina clay set stands out not just for its quality, but for its usability and safety features. If you're tired of clays that dry up or stain everything they touch, this is a fantastic alternative that brings creativity to life, again and again. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more no-nonsense product breakdowns. And leave a comment if you've used this clay before or have questions. Thanks for watching and stay creative.